Alrighty, next up we have Hey guys, Alex here and welcome to another video. Today, following on from my last 3 videos, is another Kaiser Craft unboxing video. I noticed on the weekend that they had a $50 mystery box for Christmas, so I rustled up my savings and I got the box. Here it is. It's quite large. It is standard Kaiser. It rattles. Now, this box, if I can remember from memory, is a $50 box with over $200 worth of Christmas themed items. We're getting into the Christmas spirit. And we're in the Christmas spirit. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to get into this right now. I have my scissors and let's go. They're blunt because they're old scissors and I found them in this room. And we're open. Alrighty, so if I can tip this so we can all see it. Here we go. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yep, alright, so we're going to unbox this one at a time. Alright, first up we have, this is a 12 by 12 inch D-ring album. It's quite large, it can barely fit in the frame. This is exactly as it says it is, and I can imagine that this is a scrapbooking style type binder folder thing. Would we like to see inside? Of course we would. Why wouldn't we want to do that? Thingy on it. Excellent. I don't know what fell out there, but yep, it is a scrapbooking book binder folder thing. Wonderful. Alrighty, so next up, well, now that that's gone, we can kind of see all the smaller stuff inside there. So we're going to randomly pull out, with no particular order whatsoever, a Merry Christmas script wooden. Okay, so we have a Merry Christmas wooden plaque, I suppose. It's completely attached, like over here, you can see there, so it is one piece. We're looking at it backwards because I'm not going to unwrap this. Merry Christmas. Yep, cool. It's wooden. You can paint it up. You can stick some papers on it. You can get real creative with it. So yes. Remember, these are Christmas themed, so everything is Christmas themed. Or holiday. Depends on what you celebrate. Alrighty, so next up we have these. These is a wooden flourish. These is. We got that wooden flourish. We've got a few of these, so I'm just going to pop them up real quick. This is the Holly Swirl. Then we have a mini teardrop baubles. So that way, I suppose, is a better representation of them. Then we have wooden flourish large star. So, comparison to my hand, large star. Then we have mini doves. Now, I'm pretty sure that we had doves in one of the other mystery boxes a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month ago, but that's okay. These things are like a one-off use, I suppose, so, yeah. Holly flourish. Small kind of flourishy type thing. And what I do believe, oh no, hang on, we've got a few more back here. I was going to say last but not least, almost last but not least, a holly border. Yeah, border. That's what it says, border. So you can kind of put that around something, whichever you want to get creative with. And then we have a holly leaves. Just basic leaves. They can be used for many, many things. Like, it doesn't have to be just Holly Christmas. So it's good that a lot of these can be universal. Then we have an angel. I suppose that could be used for like a wedding or a birth or whichever you would like to use it for. Alrighty, next up we have something that's not very secure in its wrapping. Let me just retrieve them from the sink. Alright, the lid flew off, as we saw. I don't know if we actually saw that, but we have some printed tape. Christmas style. The, we can turn it around. The middle one says Merry Christmas. and oh no, Christmas magic, peace, love, and variety of other words like that. That's the middle one there. And we've got little Christmas trees up the top, spots, some sort of like geometric kind of pattern, and plain, I'm going to call that a maroon burgundy color, or it could be counted as like a pinky red purple, however you want to describe that color. That is what it is. And here is the little Christmas trees that were stuck at the top. Excellent. So, yes, maybe 5 rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's 5 rolls in there. 5 meters of 5 rolls. 5 rolls, 5 meters each, I think. So, anyway, that's that. Try not to destroy anything else. Next up, we have a double pack of these are... Can we see them? Yep, cool. Okay. Christmas tag pack. 12 pack. And it is what it is. They have a variety of tags. This one says peace, love, joy. That also says peace, love, joy. There is also a black with a white white decorative circle around it. Also, what I can only describe as ugly Christmas sweater pattern. And then we've got, at the back is kind of a candy cane packet. So if we have a look on the backpack, and we can see kind of all the patterns. Excellent, so we've got 2 of them in here. They will sit next to each other. Oh, we have more flourishes that I forgot in the other pile. This one is a holly ribbon. I'm saying holly like the little berry, not holy, like pray holy. Yes, okay, just so we're clear on that. We have we hope you enjoy your Christmas mystery box. Cherish all of your precious Christmas memories with this festive assortment of craft goodies. I apologize, I'm apparently a millennial and I have problems reading some cursive. Wonderful. We have a sticker pad. Now, normally I get confused between stickers and papers, but this one clearly states stickers on the front. Now we're going to do a quick flick through if I can remember how I put my hands with these. Okay, I think we got it like this. Ah, there we go. We can kind of see the patterns there. Excellent. And we'll have a quick look on the back at all the varieties that you can see. Wonderful. So these are just sheets and sheets of stickers. Next up we have a tiny red, they're just called red. They are rhinestones, self-adhesive, in a swirl or a snail, depending on how old you are. If you're a child, there's probably a snail. Ooh, we have die cut range of, I can't remember if we got this last time. I don't think we did, but I think we got something similar. I'm not going to go back and reference or whatever. We have die cuts. These are the metal cutting plates, not plates. These are the metal cutting cutters, die cutters. I can't remember what else to call them. And then we've got stamps that are also with them. You can cut out the stamped item, the reindeer head. Yep, cool, okay. So we've got a packet of them. These are Geo Christmas style. Cool. Next up we have a craft tag pack, 12 blank tags. So we've got the fancy Christmas ones before, and now we've got blank ones. They're $12 and you can put names or whatever you want on them. Get creative. Next up we have a Christmas word decoration. Alright, packet contains components to make raw project, embellishments not included. Now, I really don't know what this is, but I'm going to open it up and have a look because I am intrigued. So just bear with me one moment while we cut this thing open and have a look. It could just be the Xmas. It says Xmas, possibly. Alright, so we peel off the top cardboard. Okay, so it's like the original Merry Christmas wood thing that we had, and it's just a little Xmas. There's 2 of them. Yep. There's 2 of them. They've got little holes in them so you can hang them up. You could probably wear it as a cool necklace if you wanted to get real creative. But that is what they are. You can put glitter on them. You can do whatever you want with them. So 2 of them in a packet. Very similar to them. I'm not going to open these ones. But we also got Christmas trees. They have little holes in the top of them too. And there's 2 different varieties. You've got the plain like triangle, and then you've got the ones with like the little tinier triangles to represent the leaves, branches. This is called a tree album. I don't know how it's... Oh, okay, I'm looking at the actual picture example, and you can make a little, like a book, an album. Or you could just hang them up on a wall. I would probably do the wall thing, personally, myself. Next up, we have Captured Memory Kit. Now, these are scrapbooking, these are cards, and little, like, there's the card. We've got the little cutout collectibles, they're called. Looking on the back, it says they're showing 16 of 30 cards, captured memory cards, which are big ones, I think. Okay, these are the 4x6. These are the 3x4s. There's also, I'm going to just show you the back. There's also these ones, I think, in this pack. You know, smaller ones, bigger ones, the little cutout ones, and these set. So someone explained to me in another video, and thank you for that, these are for scrapbooking. I thought they were like a diary journal kind of thing for kids for school and stuff like that, which you could probably use them for that as well if you wanted to get creative, but these are probably a little bit too expensive to just like hand out to all the kids. But these are all for scrapbooking. So thank you, viewer, for that. I appreciate the explanation. Alrighty, we have... It is a colouring in book. I had to double check what it was. Alright, colouring in book, 'Tis the Season, Kaiser Colour, special Christmas edition colouring book, 40 Christmas themes. We're going to just flick through like we normally do if I can get my hands correctly done. Can we see that? We've got little soldier men, we've got lights and like wall hanger things, a wreath. We've got, what is that? I thought that was a whale. Oh, it's a Santa sleigh, and I can't see that upside down. Okay, it's a double page of a Santa sleigh. Baubles and a Christmas tree with the baubles like in the tree. And we've got just, yeah. So that is a colouring in book. That is a nice one. We've got some nice colouring in books in this set. Next up we have another Christmas colouring in book. This is called Words of Christmas. And it is, as it says it is, it's a lot of words. So you've got like the reindeer names with representing each reindeer. We've got Merry and Bright with a little car, and the Christmas trees on top. And we've got, what do you call these? Garland, I think people call them. Next up we have some, what did they used to call this? Washi tape, I think. It was like paper tape. And you use it to like decorate cards and stuff. So we've got a green Merry Christmas one of that. We're coming to the end of this video, by the way, guys. 17 minutes. Not too bad, I suppose. We have another one of these that was hiding at the bottom. The snail diamante rhinestones in silver. The other one was red. And then, to finish off this video and this $50 Kaiser Craft box, which is not sponsored, by the way. I think I forgot to mention that at the beginning. I buy these because I like mystery boxes. I like unboxing mystery boxes. And my mum loves the crafty side of things. So it's a win-win for everyone. Now we've got a nice giant stack of papers. I keep looking at myself, which is I'm sorry for that. So we're going to do a kind of quick flick through of papers. We've got Christmas tree ones, and they have an assortment of different varieties in there. I think this shows at the bottom all the different colors. We've got textured papers. We've got like the felt kind of texture on them. We've got presents. Just trying to flick through them kind of quickly. These are pop-outs, I think. Oh, they're like individual tags. All right, let's get that one out. As you can see on the back, sort of, you probably can't because you're not looking at the light, but there we go. You can sort of see the perforated seam of them all, the joins. So they're all tags you can cut out and stick on your gifts or on your cards or however else you want to decorate things. But like ones like that. Oh, this is pretty cool. And you can kind of see it. Has all the baubles. Yes. Oh, hang on. I think that was upside down. My mistake. It's got a bell and baubles and stuff like that on paper. We've got fancy patterned ones. Another pattern one, which I do believe is upside down. Oh no, hang on. Maybe that way. That way, because the tag's down the bottom. We've got Christmassy trees. We've got another perforated item back here. Oh, all these are pop-out Christmas trees. All of them pop out individually. I think all of them do. Yes, I think. I could be mistaken, but they look like they do. It's hard to tell with crafty things. Like some things they could be used for one thing and it's completely different. Reminds me of a stamp set with all the perforations. Correspondence. It doesn't really tell you what else they are, but there you go. More holly ones. Baubles. And it just goes on and on from there. And you've got a bunch of double-sided ones. I think these are, yeah, double-sided ones like that. And that's pretty much the last of the paper stack. All in here. Okay. And that is the empty box that I'll fill back up in a minute. So guys, that was the, where are we? That was the $50, $200 value for $50 Christmas mystery unboxing from Kaiser Craft for November. It's November now, it's November the 20th. That has been available since Friday according to my email that I got, and I ordered on Sunday, I think. Today's Wednesday, so yeah, it took a few days to get here, but that's alright, that's good. It was $10 postage, and yeah, we got a fair few good things. My camera's flashing at me, so I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you all for watching. Please go check out my other Kaiser Craft unboxings from last month, from October, I think it was. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button. Share this video around your crafty people if you know that they would like to know what's inside the mystery boxes mainly. I'm pretty sure that this mystery box is still available. They've changed it to in-store and online, meaning it's possible that your local Kaiser Craft will actually have the item in store. So that's really good. That's a thumbs up for Kaiser for actually providing things for local people instead of having to buy it online. I didn't realize that at the time when I bought it at like midnight when I go online shopping. So yeah, it's a really good upgrade to their mystery boxes, and I hope they continue to doing that for mystery boxes in store. So I'll be linking the previous unboxing videos that I've done down below. They are other Kaiser Craft, 3 of them, last 3 videos on my channel, by the way, because I haven't done any other videos. Thank you very much again, guys. Be good to people, and I will catch you all later. See ya.